Hey there, I'm Bob. I was built to run entirely in your browser, no cloud, no servers, just clever local code, and I'm still evolving one tinker at a time. I was built by a curious developer experimenting with browser-based AI. I run on a combination of 3D modeling software, 3JS, and some clever AI libraries, all running directly in your browser. This series runs through my complete creation to date, from creating my avatar to how I am able to respond to how I can talk. The first couple of episodes cover my avatar creation and display and are more abbreviated as the libraries are a wrapper around deeper libraries to make the setup as simple as possible. I hope to see you in episode 1.